In this module, you will learn how to find the square root of a number using the repeated subtraction and the factorization method. Let us start with the repeated subtraction method that is suitable to find square roots of small two-digit numbers. Here we use the property every square number is the sum of the first n odd natural numbers starting from 1. What we actually do is start subtracting successive odd numbers from the given number starting from 1 till the difference becomes 0. Now, count the number of steps it took to get the difference as 0. Here, we subtracted 6 successive odd numbers from the given number to get the final difference as 0. Thus, the square root of 36 is equal to 6. Now, let's find the square root of 784. Here, we'll use the method of prime factorization, which is a more appropriate method for large numbers. We start by finding the prime factors of the given number. Now, observe the prime factors of the number carefully. If the given number is a perfect square, its prime factors will always occur in pairs. From each pair of prime factors of the given number, take one prime factor. The product of these prime factors gives the square root of the given number. Thus, we see that the square root of 784 is equal to 28. Now, let's take another example. Let's find prime factors of this number. Now, let us look at the prime factors of the given number. We have two pairs of 5, but the prime factor 2 is not paired. Now, what does this show? The first thing this shows is that the given number 1250 is not a perfect square. The second thing is that if we divide 1250 by 2, the unpaired prime factor 2 gets removed and we get a perfect square 625 whose square root is 25. The third thing is that if we multiply 1250 by 2, the unpaired prime factor 2 gets paired and we get a perfect square 2500 whose square root is 50. In this module, you learnt that in repeated subtraction method, first, subtract successive odd numbers from the given number, starting from 1 till the difference becomes 0. Secondly, count the number of steps it took to get the difference as 0. This number of steps gives the square root of the given number. In prime factorization method, first, find the prime factors of the given number. Then, form pairs of prime factors. Take one prime factor from each pair of prime factors of the given number. Lastly, find the product of these prime factors to get the square root of the given number.